Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Testnet. It is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to practice cryptocurrency trading without any financial risk. Think of it as a sandbox where you can experiment freely. This simulated environment closely mimics the real Binance platform, allowing you to test strategies and explore features before committing actual capital. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. To get started, simply navigate to the Binance Spot or Futures Testnet website. You will typically log in using your GitHub account. If you don't have one, it takes less than 1 minute to create. Once logged in, you can often claim free test tokens from a testnet faucet. Many accounts also receive an initial balance, such as 15,000 USD, allowing you to begin practicing immediately. With your test funds, you can now practice placing various order types, including market, limit, and stop limit orders, just like on the live platform. Feel free to experiment with different trading pairs, such as Bitcoin versus USD, to understand market movements. This is also an excellent opportunity to test automated trading bots or refine your algorithmic strategies. You can monitor your simulated portfolio performance, all without any financial risk. Using the Binance Testnet offers numerous benefits. You gain valuable trading experience and refine your strategies without any financial exposure. It helps you understand market dynamics and explore new features or decentralized applications safely. Once you feel confident in your abilities and strategies, you can smoothly transition to the live Binance platform, equipped with practical experience and a solid understanding of how everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.